Alright, hello guys. As of the moment, I'm waiting for a jeepney or something to ride my way home. Something like that. So just stay with me guys and uuwi na ako. Ayun, may dance something. I did not expect that. So it's July 1st, 2024, and I'm waiting for a ride. I am waiting for a ride. Yan lang. And I hope may ride nga. Wala. Ayun lang, may copyright lang. Lumayo tayo sa copyright. May copyright music. Sayang. May sumasayaw pa naman doon. Ako guys, tingin nyo ako asahan na sumayaw kasi alam nyo naman, but at least we're here, right? So magpi 15 minutes tayo. I promise that no matter what, kahit gaano pa ka-boring ang video na to, magpi 15 minutes tayo guys. We're here at Fairview Place in Quezon City and I'm waiting for a ride on my way home. Mag-shoutout na ba ako? Alright, since I've been itching to shout out sa mga perfume vloggers, I wanna shout out to what's her name? Wendy's Parade of Perfume. Shout out to you. I wanna shout out to Perfume Guy. Shout out to you. And ewan ko may shoutout to si Kuya. May shoutout ka ba Kuya? Ewan wala so we're here at Fairview Terraces and yeah, it's July 1st and 2024 and in front of me is SM Fairview. Alright, I think we're gonna ride this jeepney since we have no choice. We have no other choice. Ayan. Bagyong Aghon, hindi tayo natuloy dun sa jeepney ride something. So ngayon natuloy na tayo, and I hope hindi mahulog tong phone ko sa kamay ko. So guys, I found out some features of this phone as nag-stabilize pala siya. May stabilization siya kahit hindi siya GoPro, so stable tayo. So I'm on my way home and excited na akong laban yung Japanese 14,000 yen Japanese shorts. Yes. Excited na akong laban yon, and isusuot ko siya soon. Mag-OTD tayo doon and makikita niyo yung suot-suot ko yon. And it will be very fabulous. So ito ang itsura ko. Ito ang itsura ko pag nakasakay tayo sa jeep. This is me. This is me riding a jeep on my way home. Wala pong filter, walang anything. Ito na po yun, guys. May kulay lang yung hair pero walang filter. Na-excite ako dun sa theme ng SM kanina, yung about Pinoy something. Hindi naman ako makabayan kasi neutral ako kahit So yun, give me a break guys, mainit. So dead man na sa pawis. Excited na ako ma-upload tong video na to kasi nga I think this is the first time, yes, first and sana last na kasi nga wala namang kabuluhan tong ginagawa. Hindi naman ako galing sa ministeryo or whatever, so So, nasa ano tayo ngayon, nasa traffic. So, feeling ko boring naman kung ilalagay ko kayo dun sa puno, diba? So, I'm very happy today kasi nga continuation to nung video na galing tayo dun sa pagpapalinis ko ng ring. And as you can see how sterling the silver is. Sterling silver. And nakabili tayo nung or nabiyayaan tayo nung shorts na excited na akong laban. Nasa 12 minutes na tayo guys. Sulitin na natin ng 15 minutes. Just bear with me. Ewan ko guys, iba talaga yung nararamdaman kong excitement dun sa shorts kasi nga it's from Japan and alam naman natin yung mga quality ng Japan, diba? Na talagang hindi man sa akin bumagay pero I know it's quality, so magagamit natin yun ng mahabang panahon. And ayun, from my previous video, part 1 and part 2 yun ng ukay-ukay video. Na-enjoy nyo sana guys. So nasa 14 minutes na tayo, 1 minute na lang and then i-end ko na tong video. Yan, enjoy nyo na yung last minute. We are approaching sa Barter Road. Ayun. Maganda yung sa Barter Road, nakakaantok. Pero hindi na tayo abot doon kasi nga ayan. But who knows, baka magbe-video rin ako ng sa Barter Road soon. But for now, end ko na yung video. Thanks for watching.